Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $3,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing. It's a really easy and simple method. My name is the Moneymaker001 and I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in all this type of awesome stuff, then watch this video till the end so you can understand what I'm gonna explain to you in this video step by step, so that you can just follow it and really make some genuine money online. This is what I wish and this is what I want. I want you to make money first, and after that I'll make all the money which I can. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are really very eager to make some money online. So let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. You are not going to create any YouTube videos, you are not going to show your face. All you need to do is do a simple copy and paste work, and with this work you are going to really make up to $3,000 every single month in affiliate commissions. And how you are going to do this, everything will be explained, everything will be covered in this video. So just pay close attention in this video and watch it till the end so you understand each and every step which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So now let's jump into the content. First of all you need to do is go to this website which is known as markethealth.com and sign up on this website as an affiliate. Okay, this is one of the best website from where you can promote health products. Okay, I don't you can also promote health products from ClickBank, but a marketplace, market health has a really wide variety of products, even more and better products as compared to ClickBank. So you can also use this website in as an alternative to ClickBank. Or you also know that ClickBank, many of the affiliates are promoting products which are related to ClickBank, so the customers are not getting newer products. But on this market health platform you can also find newer products which are different from the ClickBank products. So there is a great chance that a customer would be interested in this newer products than he is interested in the ClickBank product, because maybe he has seen the advertisement of ClickBank product for 10 times and maybe he has bought it, but he may have not bought this product which is the market health product which is available over here. And you can also see that most of the offers on this website are CPA offers, that means cost per acquisition. That means if someone signs or for this offer, then you get a $30 of commission. Really all you need to do is not to sell something, all you need to do is make someone sign in for this offer and you are really going to make money doing this very simple and easy method. Okay, so now let's go, and how you are going to do is what I'm gonna show you. First of all, you need to sign up for this market health website. They will ask you all the basic details such as your name and where do you live and your PayPal account and your bank account details, so that you can receive payments from this website. Okay, so once you sign up for this website, you have to go to offers and then you just have to select worldwide offers, because worldwide offers are some offers which are available all over the world. So I have searched some weight loss offers over here and you can see that there are really good weight loss offers available here on this website. Now to get the affiliate link of this offer, you have to click this button which is $30 CPA button and you will get your link. Okay, so here's my affiliate link. Now I can copy this affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on this affiliate link I will get a commission. Okay, that is $30 if someone signs up, uh, provides his email using this link. Okay, so that's really easy, that's really simple. So just copy your link, and after that, now the method which we are going to apply to this to promote this product is that for this method first you need to go to Fiverr. Okay, and you need to search for weight loss, okay, weight loss videos. So there are many of the people who are creating this type of weight loss videos, okay, and they will be happy to create it for you for a really cheap price on Fiverr, because it is just a paid method. You need to invest 10 to $15 in this method, but you can really make a great amount of earning doing this, okay. So see here, you can see this video that I will create an effective personal trainer whiteboard video. So I recommend that you should go for whiteboard animation videos, because animation videos are the videos which gain the most amount of watch time on YouTube. People really prefer to watch animated videos more than the videos in which a person is there, okay. So really people are most interested in animated videos. So what you can do is that you can just give 10 to 20 topics related to weight loss to this person and order 10 to 20 videos from this person, okay, and he will make animated videos related to weight loss for you, okay. Now once you get the animated videos related to weight loss, you just have to create a new YouTube channel and just start posting content on it in a consistent manner every single day, okay, and really you can start making money doing that, okay. Just go for this type of people. See, this is a good example because he will create this type of videos for you just in $5, okay. So you can almost order 10 videos for $50 and really start uploading those videos on YouTube. Animated videos get most amount of watch time. That's the reason why your YouTube channel will grow really very fast, but still it will take 1 to 2 months to for your channel to launch and really start making some good amount of money. All you need to do is get the videos from this person and then put those videos on YouTube, okay, and that's really easy. All you need to do is copy this video from this person and then paste those videos on your YouTube channel and provide this Market Health affiliate link in the description of that video, and someone clicks on this link and goes to this website which is goes to signs up for this Market Health offer, then you get a 30% $30 off CPA commission. That is really awesome. You don't need to even sell something. You are just getting commission for some making someone to sign up for this particular offer. So this is really good because you are going to make commission even without selling something. That's really awesome. That's really very less of less affiliate marketing platforms provide to you. Market Health is one of the platform which provides you CPA offers. Even ClickBank does not provide more any of the CPA offers, but this Market Health does provide you with the health related CPA offers. So I definitely recommend this website to promote any of the health related products if you are interested in making money online by promoting health and fitness offers. Anyone can do it. It is available worldwide, and really many of the people are making a great amount of money just by doing this simple methods. Even a 16-year-old, a 14-year-old, or even a 13-year-old can do this method because there is nothing to do. You don't have to record yourself, you don't have to create new content. All you need to do is get videos and just use those videos on your YouTube channel and just make some money just doing this really simple method. All you need to do is invest some of your money, a little bit of your money, $5, okay. If you don't have any money, just order 2 to 3 videos, that is 10 to $15, which is a really low amount of money which you can really afford, okay. And you can really start getting all these videos and start uploading to your YouTube channel, and eventually you can monetize your channel. So you are also going to earn AdSense revenue, as well as you are also going to earn affiliate commission just by uploading this type of simple animated videos, because animated videos get the most amount of attention as well as the watch time. So this is really simple and this is really easy. Anyone can do this method and start making a killing online in 2020. So this, if you find this method practical, if you like this method, then just take action on this method. And I also want to recommend you that you should also check out other videos on my channel. They will also provide you really a ton of value about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, entrepreneurship. All this stuff is available on my channel. I definitely recommend that you should check out every single videos on this channel so that you can understand how to make money online in the easiest manner and simplest form possible on YouTube. So if you like my video, just press the like button. If you really like my video even more, just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.